So, picture this, you're just scrolling through your feed, and boom, the future of Google's hardware game is staring right back at you. Not a rumor, not a blurry leak, but crystal clear teasers of the Pixel 10 series, and trust me, it's like Google just decided to roll into 2025 swinging for the fences. But here's the thing, the story isn't playing out the way anyone expected. In fact, it just took a twist that even hardcore Pixel fans didn't see coming. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love staying ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, let's talk about how Google just shook up its own launch playbook. August 20th, mark it down, because that's when Google's pulling the curtain back on the Pixel 10 lineup. For weeks now, they've been fueling the hype machine, dropping teasers, accidentally leaking high-res images, and even giving us a clean, free look at the Pixel 10 Pro thanks to a certain famous leaker. And then they went a step further. We finally got a short, sweet clip of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold actually unfolding, and wow, it wasn't just about the sleek design, it was about what might be hiding inside that design, the possibility of a foldable phone with a full IP68 rating. That's not just rare, that's unheard of in the foldable world. To put that in perspective, IP68 means it's completely dust-proof and can handle a dunk in water without breaking a sweat. Sounds simple, right? Except for foldables, it's a nightmare to pull off. Hinges, moving parts, microscopic gaps, every one of those is an open invitation for dust to waltz in and destroy your phone. That's why even Samsung's Z Fold 7, the so-called king of foldables, tops out at IP48. A big difference. If Google actually nailed IP68 on a folding phone, it would be a legit game changer. But just as the excitement was peaking, things went sideways. A few days ago, reliable insiders dropped a bombshell. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold might not actually be launching alongside the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro XL anymore. Yeah, the very device that was supposed to be Google's mic drop moment may now be missing from the lineup entirely, at least for now. The plan was supposed to be simple, reveal everything on August 20th, open pre-orders instantly and ship by August 28th, avoiding the messy, staggered rollout of the Pixel 9 series. But instead, the Fold has apparently been pulled from that first wave. The standard Pixel 10 trio is still locked in for launch, but the Fold, rumors now say it might slip to October or later. And it's not alone. The Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a, both seen in early leaks, might also be delayed or even shelved until further notice. Why? That's the million-dollar question. Some whisper it's a supply chain hiccup. Others think engineering headaches, like the IP68 sealing being harder to pull off than expected, or battery and hinge durability issues creeping up at the last second. Whatever the truth, it's a twist nobody wanted. And yet, Google isn't walking into August 20th empty-handed. The Pixel 10 lineup is still shaping up to be a monster, powered by the brand new Tensor G5 chip, their first fully homegrown processor built on cutting-edge architecture. That means more power, better efficiency, and tighter integration with Android 15 than ever before. And speaking of integration, if you pick up a Pixel 10 at launch, you're getting a whole year of Google AI Pro with 2 TB of cloud storage thrown in. No limited trial, nonsense, a full year. Even the Pixel Watch 4, which we've only seen in a quick hands-on clip, is looking refined. That signature dome glass, a new rotating crown, and an updated charger that fixes the annoying slow charge issue from the Watch 3 subtle but welcome. So yeah, Google's launch event just went from a predictable all-in-one-day drop to a suspense-filled waiting game. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold might be MIA for now, but when it finally arrives, if it really has that IP68 magic, it could still rewrite the rules for foldables. And until then, the Pixel 10 series itself might just be enough to steal the spotlight anyway.